Hello, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hi, everyone. Let me adjust this a little bit. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. Hi, everybody. Hi, everyone. What's your day been like? No, that was drunk grammar. What has your day been like? Can you tell it's a long day? Come on in, everybody. Say hello when you come on. Tell me how your day has been. Did you have a good weekend? How is it going on your end? Yeah, Laura's everywhere. Come on in, come on in. Say hello, say hello. Let's see. I hope I'm connected properly because I think I should be. Right? Okay, let's give it a few minutes for now. Come on in. Hi, say hello when you come on. Say hello, say hello, say hello. Let's see. Hi, everybody. Can everybody hear me good? Hi, everyone. This is like my own Monday because usually I work from home on Monday. So the first day back in the office is usually on Tuesday. And so that's like my own Monday. So let's talk immigration. This is attorney Abisola Olaleye Omobabasam. It's attorney Abisola Olay Samuel, immigration lawyer. I am based in Alabama and I represent immigration clients in all 50 states. If you've got an immigration case, it was a case type that my firm handles, ranging from citizenship, asylum, VAWA, H-1B petition, marriage-based green card, employment-based green card. Let's see, asylum, removal of conditions of your residency, removal proceedings. Give us a call. Number is 334-341-4475. Visit our website right there on the screen, olalayelawfirm.com. You can send an email to my email, which is aos@olalayelawfirm.com, scrolling across the screen, or to business manager Christian, who's also my fiance, at cmb@olalayelawfirm.com, or to our office generally at contact@olalayelawfirm.com. Say hello when you come on, and it's going to be quick because I have a consultation coming up. But I wanted to jump on real quick, talk about converting from asylum to a marriage-based green card. Can you convert from, if you have an asylum application pending, can you go from there to having a marriage-based green card? And you know, then what are your options as far as, do you now withdraw your asylum application? What's next? So question number one is, can you go from having to convert or switch from an asylum application that you have filed with USCIS? An asylum is you seeking solace, refuge in the United States based on the fact that you have a well-founded fear of persecution should you be made to go back to your home country or whatever country it is that you are asking for protection from. And is that so? If you have that filed and you have that pending, the decision has not been made yet. Can you go from that to a green card application? Short answer, yes. Short answer, yes. Now, it doesn't matter if it's less stressful and much better if you are at the affirmative asylum phase. Affirmative asylum is what you file with USCIS. Defensive is when you have been placed in removal proceedings and you file that with the immigration court. So it's better in the affirmative stage because, if things go wrong, at least you still have another shot at it when you're in a defensive asylum application, rather than all your eggs are in one basket when it comes to the defensive stage. So if you have a pending asylum case, whether before USCIS or before the EOL, which is the Executive Office of Immigration Review, immigration court basically, and now you get married to the American citizen, you become eligible to adjust your status as an immediate relative of that American citizen spouse that you got married to. You're able to start a marriage-based green card application. So your spouse will initiate the I-130 on your behalf. You file your 485 simultaneously if you're eligible to do that, and present that to USCIS. Once that is pending, so once you send that in, that's where you're able to, even though you have an asylum application that is pending before USCIS, you're still able to file for adjustment of status, green card, marriage-based green card. Once you send all of that in to USCIS, I always tell people, do not withdraw your asylum application. And here's why. If you withdraw your asylum application, God forbid things do not work out with your marriage-based green card application and you get denied or whatever case may be, you risk being placed in removal proceedings. Now, some parts of the country, they're really fast and issue notice to appear, and some they're like, they forget about you entirely. But the risk is there for you to be issued a notice to appear in immigration court if that doesn't work out, and then you've already withdrawn your asylum application. However, if you leave the asylum application still pending and go and see how your marriage-based green card application is going to turn out, should things not turn out on that front, you can now request that USCIS resume adjudication of your asylum. So when the adjustment of status is pending, write a letter to the asylum office telling them you're not withdrawing your application, but you don't want them to schedule an interview just yet because you want to explore, because you just got married, you've fallen in love, you got married, your spouse is filing an I-130 on your behalf, you're eligible to file a 485. You want to see how that goes before you proceed with your asylum application. And for the most part, they will hold that in advance, basically saying, okay, we'll give you the chance to do that while we hold this, and we're not denying, withdrawing, we're just going to let it sit. If that doesn't work out, you can send a letter and say, okay, please resume adjudication of that case. Things didn't work out, so now you can go ahead and process this case and set up an interview for me. So should that get denied, you will not be transferred generally, because USCIS is, it's a whole another creature. But generally, you should not be denied. You should not be referred to immigration court because you have another viable immigration benefit application that is pending. And so you'll be given the chance to follow through with that asylum application, regardless of if that's approved. Obviously, you want to go ahead and just file a motion or request to withdraw the asylum application, because now you have your green card at the end of the day. But if it's not, then you can resume that, and then that is in the affirmative level. Even if you are in immigration court and your relief is in immigration court is you're seeking asylum before the immigration judge, if you get married while that is pending, you have what we call you would need to prove that your marriage is real. So you file an I-130 bona fide exemption with all the good faith proof. If that is approved, you can file an adjustment of status before the immigration judge. And once that's approved, you can tell the immigration judge that you're withdrawing your asylum application, because now at the end of the day, you have the green card, which is what your whole point of asylum will be eventually. So yes, short answer, you can file convert from asylum to marriage-based green card. Suggestion is, do not request for that to be withdrawn. Make a request for that to be placed in advance. Hold it in advance until that is processed. If you're in immigration court, then you can file for asylum and you can still file an I-130. If that is approved, you can file to adjust your status before the immigration judge. At the same time, ask the judge that you want to withdraw your asylum application if the judge is going to grant your adjustment of status application in court. So that's that in a nutshell. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to a YouTube channel, please do so. It's Olalay Immigration, I think, or Olalay Law Firm. I don't know. One of the two. But if you haven't followed our page on Instagram, please do so. Olalay Immigration, TikTok, and please share this video on Facebook. Like our Facebook page as well. And share the immigration news. And thank you everyone for the support. If you need our help on your immigration case, our very first thing we need to do will be to set up a proper consultation for you. Consultation is $125 for 30 minutes, $225 for an hour. And it is value that you cannot, you get value you can put a price tag on. So once again, to contact our office, number is 334-341-4475. Visit our website. This is the website again, allalandlawfirm.com. And until next time, everybody,